In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock an Ionos domain in just about 5 minutes. Unlocking a domain can seem like a technical and daunting task, but fear not. I am here to guide you through each step of the process, making it as seamless and straightforward as possible. So, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Ionos website. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign In button prominently displayed. Clicking on this will take you one step closer to your goal. It's important here to make sure you're on the correct website to avoid any potential security risks. Next up, click on Customer Account. This is where you'll enter the heart of your Ionos account management. By doing so, you're navigating closer to the administration area where you can make the necessary adjustments to your domain settings. Once you've clicked through to sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email address associated with your Ionos account. Make sure to input this information accurately to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, you'll need to click Next to proceed. This moves you forward in the authentication process, bringing you closer to accessing your domain settings. The subsequent step involves keying in your password. As with any secure service, ensure that you type in your password correctly. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a password recovery or reset option to aid you in gaining access to your account. Once you've successfully entered your password, click Next again. This confirms your credentials and logs you into your Ionos account. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Domains and SSL section. This area of your account is dedicated to managing your domains and related services. It's where you can find all the options related to domain management. Within this section, you'll find the option to add domain. Even though our objective is to unlock an existing domain, it's important to familiarize yourself with all aspects of the domain management dashboard. At this stage, click on your subscription. Each domain is tied to a specific subscription, and selecting the correct one is crucial for managing the correct domain. Take care to select the subscription that is associated with the domain you intend to unlock. Your next action is to type in your preferred domain name. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since you're unlocking a domain and not purchasing a new one. However, this step is about accessing the domain settings, and sometimes verifying the domain name is part of the process. After entering your domain, you'll click on Search. This action does not actually search for domain availability, but rather navigates through your account's domain inventory. It's a way to pinpoint the specific domain you aim to manage. Upon finding your domain, you will click Add to Basket. While typically associated with making a purchase, in this context it's merely a step forward in the process towards unlocking your domain. The final step involves proceeding with payment to unlock your domain. This might involve a nominal fee depending on your domain's status and the specifics of your Ionos account. Completing this payment process is the key to unlocking your domain, making it ready for transfer or further management. Throughout this process, remember that patience is key. Navigating through account settings and dealing with domain management decisions can be intricate. However, by following these detailed steps, you're equipped to unlock your domain efficiently and securely. And that's everything you need to know about unlocking an Ionos domain. With these instructions, you're not just performing a series of steps, you're unlocking new possibilities for your domain. Whether you're transferring your domain or simply freeing it up for other tasks, knowing how to unlock it grants you more control over your online presence. I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep exploring and take charge of your digital domain.